Hey yo, what is up everybody? It's me, Kevin, and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can log into KUCCPS. So if you guys do not know what this is, it's basically a university located at Kenya. Alright, so that's the basic definition of it. If you guys need to know more about it, you can visit its official website to get more information about it if you want to go study into it. Alright, so let's get right into the video. It's on how you guys can log in into it. So it's pretty simple to log in into its account. So follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. But before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump right into the video. The first step is you want to go to your search engine and search for KUCCPS Student Portal, because you are a student. If you are a teacher, you don't go to Student Portal. For teacher, there's another method of logging in. Alright, so this is just for student. Once you search for it, click on student login. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to its official website where you guys can log in into it as a student. Once you're over here, you want to enter the KCSE index number, which is a number which is provided to the student of this university. Basically, if you are the student, then basically you might have this number. And after you enter the number, you want to enter its KCSE year number over here. After you enter the KCSE year, you want to enter the password of your account. After entering the password, you want to click on login over here. After you click on login, you should be able to log in into your student account of your KUCCPS school. Alright, I mean university. So that's basically how you guys can log in into it. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Until then, it's me, Kevin, signing out. Stay tuned on our channel One to Step until our next video comes up. Bye bye.